Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Rapido. If this is your first time seeing my video, you definitely know what to do. Go ahead and subscribe. When you subscribe, you should surround that notification bell so you don't miss any video. Now in this video, I'm going to share with you how you can mine Hamster Kombat on your Telegram app. Okay, now this is another promising coin that I think after Not coin, this coin is also going to take over the internet very soon, and I think it will be listed very soon. Okay, now as you can see, I have so many coins over here. Okay, gaming, mimifi coin, tap swap, Hamster Kombat, time coin, hot 3 ton coin boot. I have so many iceberg not coin. I have so many coins over here that I'm mining. Okay, I'll do video on each on every one of it so that you know how each is done. Okay, so without wasting my time, let's jump right into the main purpose of this video. So today we are focusing on Hamster Kombat. Okay, so let me click it. Alright, so when you open it, then you just click on start. Okay, I'll leave a link under the video description or under the comment section. I'll pin it over there so that you just click on it and then it will take you to Telegram. You just click on start and start mining. Okay, so let's say you've clicked on the link I've put under the comment section or the description. Okay, now you just click on play now. Okay, when you click on play now, let's wait for it to load. It's loading. Alright, so let me claim it. I'll show you how this is done. Okay, let me claim it. Alright, so first of all, as you can see, you can see it's loading at the down here. We have 8,000/8,000. Okay, so that one is the coin accumulated. Okay, so when you just click, okay, you see it has reduced. The first one has reduced. Okay, now if it is your first time being here, okay, when you click, you are not going to get 13 as mine. Okay, you get 111. Okay, you have to boost it. Okay, so with boosting, you just come here, click on boost. Okay, and you come here, you will see multi tap. Okay, when you click on it, and then once you have to accumulate some coin and then use that coin to buy it. So whenever you boost it, you get +1. Okay, so the tap is going to increase. So your first time when you do it, you get +1, which is 2. Okay, then the second time you get 3. So I have boosted mine to 13. Okay, all right, and then also when you check here, okay, when you check here, you can see it's 8,000/8,000. Okay, your first time isn't going to be like this. Okay, you will see something like 1,000/1,000. Okay, so if you want to increase that one too, you just come to the boost and then you increase the energy limit. Okay, so when you do it, you get +500. This time gives you 500 plus. Okay, yes. Okay, so this is one way of increasing your earning over here. Now there is another daily earning over here. Okay, let me. Okay, all right, so you can just come here and then complete tasks to get these coins. Okay, so first you join their Telegram channel. Okay, when you join, you get 1,000. Okay, you just click on it and then you join. Then when you join their Telegram group too, you get 1,000 coins. Okay, when you join their medium, you get 3,000. It's very easy. Okay, when you join their Discord, you are going to get $3,000. Okay, when you follow them on X, which is Twitter, you're going to get +500. Okay, and then when you join them on exchange, okay, you are going to get what +1,000. Okay, and then each member that you refer, you are going to get a certain accumulated coin. Okay, all right, so first, every day you need to come here. Okay, whenever you wake up early morning, just come here. Daily will run. Okay, first day you get 500 coin. The second day you get 1,000. The third day you get 2,500. Fourth day you are going to get 5,000. Fifth day you are going to get 15,000 coins. The sixth day you are going to get 25,000 coins, and then seventh day you are going to get 100,000 coins. Eighth day you are going to get 500,000 coins, and the ninth day you are going to get 1 million coins. Okay, and then the 10th day you are going to get 5 million. Then it will restart again. Okay, it will restart. So as you can see, I have been ticked green, or have been marked green over here, which means I logged in the first day, second day, and then the third day. So this is the third day that I'm making this particular video. Okay, so tomorrow I will log in to claim 5,000, which is the fourth day. Okay, so this is another way of earning over here. Now there is another one here. You can come to mine over here. When you come to mine, you can see, look at my token, you can see it's moving. Okay, you can see it's moving. All right, so the reason why it's moving is because I have bought tokens over here. I have invested. Here you invest. Okay, so once you accumulate coins, you can use some to invest over here, and then this tokens is going to give you coins. This things is going to give you, these tokens are going to, like, after, it's like staking them. Okay, it's like staking them. So once you stake them, you're going to get profit. Okay, so you can see this one is giving me 8,220 tokens every hour. Okay, profit per hour. So you can see over here, this one to give me 5k plus, this one is giving me 716, this one is giving me 716. Okay, so you can just activate these things, okay, so that you get extra earning. Okay, yes. And then you can also refer. So for every friend you refer, okay, you are going to get 5,000 points. Okay, so when you refer, you get 5,000 points. Okay, yes. And then when you invite a friend with Telegram Premium, you are going to get 25,000 points. Okay, so as you can see, people have referred so far. All right, so let's move on to another thing. Okay, another thing that will make you earn more. Okay, when you click on this one, okay, when you click once, okay, you're going to see it will be once. Okay, but when you use 2 fingers, okay, as you can see, it's moving. Okay, when you use 3 fingers, okay, so it's moving plenty. Okay, when you use 4, okay, so as you can see on the screen, so that is how it's done. So that one will also help you to reduce the tokens over here, so that it will refill. Okay, it will refill. Okay, now there's another way of earning. When you come to boost, okay, you see full energy over here. When you click on it, it will just fill it up. Okay, so let me show you something over here. Now this one is 7,300 and 400 something. Okay, now let me finish it up. Let me make sure. So I'm using 4 fingers to type it so that it will go fast. All right, so let's go. It will be done right now, but when you use only 1 finger, it will keep long. Okay, boom. Okay, so as you can see, I have finished all the coins over here. Now let's go to the boost. Okay, when you click on here, okay, and just click on go ahead, see something, boom, you can see it has filled up. Okay, you just click on it again with 4 fingers, so that it will move very, very fast. Okay, it will move very, very fast, very, very fast. Okay, click on it, it will move very, very fast. All right, so that is an easy way of earning in Hamster Kombat. Okay, that is an easy way of earning in Hamster. And then you can also connect your wallet with. Okay, as you can see, I've connected Binance. Okay, the exchange, I've connected Binance, so you can also do same. And then when you click here, you just connect. Okay, you choose wallet. Okay, just choose wallet. Okay, so you can choose, as you can see, we have Bybit, OKS. Okay, all the wallets are here. Okay, so I choose what excuse me, so I chose Binance. Okay, because Binance is the most trusted and what reliable. Okay, so that is another way of also securing your wallet. Okay, so you can click on it, be clicking on it, and then all this thing will fill up. Okay, so that is the end of the video. If you have any question, you can ask under the comment section. Okay, once again, my name is Rapido. I'm out.